The cryptocurrency market is facing tough times. This is not new. The market is known for its ups and downs. Right now, it's a down period. Investors are worried. They are selling their cryptocurrencies. This is causing prices to fall. This downward trend is affecting most cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the biggest one, is down. Smaller coins called altcoins are also down. Some experts believe this is another crypto winter. They compare it to previous periods when the market fell sharply. The reasons for this downturn are complex. There are global economic worries. Inflation is high in many countries. Interest rates are rising. This makes investors cautious. They are moving away from risky assets like cryptocurrencies. There are also concerns within the crypto world itself. Security is a big issue. There have been high-profile hacks and thefts. This makes investors nervous. They worry about losing their money. XRP is a cryptocurrency that has been around for a while. It is different from Bitcoin in some ways. XRP is designed for fast and cheap transactions. It is often used by banks and financial institutions for cross-border payments. However, XRP has also been caught in the current crypto downturn. Its price has fallen significantly. There are several reasons for this. The overall negative market sentiment is one factor. When the entire market is down, most coins tend to follow. XRP has also faced its own unique challenges. There has been a long-running legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC claims that XRP is a security and should be regulated as such. This uncertainty has made some investors hesitant to hold XRP. Compared to other altcoins, XRP's performance has been mixed. Some coins like Solana have fallen even more sharply than XRP. Others like Dogecoin have shown more resilience. Dogecoin's price is often influenced by social media trends, making it more unpredictable. XRP has a history of being a volatile cryptocurrency. It has experienced dramatic price swings in the past. In late 2017, for example, XRP's price skyrocketed, reaching an all-time high. This was followed by a sharp crash in 2018. These price swings can be attributed to several factors. Speculation plays a significant role. When investors believe XRP's price will go up, they buy more, driving the price higher. Conversely, when they lose confidence, they sell, causing the price to fall. Regulatory news and developments also have a major impact on XRP's price. Positive news, such as partnerships with financial institutions, can boost the price. Negative news, such as the SEC lawsuit, can have the opposite effect. Despite the volatility, XRP remains a significant player in the cryptocurrency space. It is still used by some institutions for cross-border payments. Its future will depend on factors such as the outcome of the SEC lawsuit and the overall health of the crypto market. The current crypto downturn has sparked debate among economists and financial experts. From a modern economic perspective, some argue that cryptocurrencies are inherently risky assets. They lack the stability of traditional currencies and are prone to speculation. Others believe that cryptocurrencies represent the future of finance. They point to the potential for blockchain technology to revolutionize payments and other financial services. They argue that the current downturn is a temporary setback in a long-term growth trajectory. Islamic finance offers a unique perspective on the crypto market. It emphasizes ethical investing and risk mitigation. Some Islamic scholars have raised concerns about the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies. They argue that investing in crypto should be done with caution and within the bounds of Islamic principles. Despite the differing viewpoints, there is a growing consensus that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. They have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and empower individuals. Navigating the crypto market requires careful research, risk assessment, and a long-term perspective. It is essential to stay informed about market trends, regulatory developments, and the diverse viewpoints shaping the future of this evolving asset class.